so welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be playing some more, well, not playing though, not playing. I'm just showing you another Bandicam best settings. So let's just get into it. So first thing, we got the microphone. You know, if you don't want to record your sound, record your voice, you can turn this disabled and default output device, speakers in it, and this. If you want to record the sound desktop, you should do default output device. You just click on it, and then this is my settings. So this is my thing, and this is my thing. Start Bandicam always on top. Well, nothing absolutely important though. Now let's go hop on into the video. We got record stop hotkey. You need to turn that on. Pause hotkeys, you need to turn that on as well. It's up to you though with the hotkeys, but with me, I'm just going to turn that on. Show mouse cursor like this. Like, this is the mouse. Yeah, this is the mouse. Literally the mouse. Now let's go to the settings for this. You know, the size or the resolution is the best setting is the full size. Yeah, the full size, or 720 or full size. But my desktop resolution is 768. But this is not in my resolution. Like 1066, I think. But now you're just going to do a full size. If you want 180p resolution, you just go for that. But I recommend to you guys for 720, because it will reduce some lags though. And the codec I use H264 for the CPU. I have Intel though. I have Intel QuickSync video, but the best thing is this. Now the quality, you can just keep it on 80, and then the codec for the audio, it's AAC. I don't know what is yours, but and then the bitrate will be 160. Your channel may, yeah, like almost every PC have channel stereo, and then the frequency is up to your PC. If you have 48,000, you can use this. If you have 44,100, you can use this. But I have this in stereo. The bit rate, I'm going to keep it on 160. So the next best settings in recording, the most important is the AV. The recording format is AV. You can use this because it can reduce your lag and dropping FPS. But AV, if you choose AV format, you cannot edit it with Windows Movie Maker or editing software like that. And then the size, you will need this. You will need 720 again, or the full size. The FPS, I recommend you for the 30. But if you have a good PC, you can use the 60 or even 480 if you can. Even more. The codec is for AV is MPEG-1. The quality, you can keep it like that. And then the codec for the audio is you are going to search, choose PCM, because it records your PC sound, or like that. Channels, you can, as I always said, you can, this is based on your PC. If you have mono, you can choose mono. If you have stereo, you can choose stereo. Now for the frequency, you can use based on your computer or your laptop, even PC, like this. My settings is like this. Well, not, but I would like to choose MP4 because you can edit it with anything, or like Bandicam, or like that. And then this is my settings, and thus I'm going to press OK. Well, this is my settings. Now let's hop on into the image. The hotkeys will be Alt S. Why? Because Alt is easier than Alt, because S, it means screenshot. So the hotkeys for capture screen to photo is Alt S. And then my format is JPG, high quality. If you have a low-end PC, you can use JPG or normal. If you want to do format PNP or PNG, you can use that. I'm going to choose JPG, high quality. You can use the custom though. And that is pretty much it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys, if this video very helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Turn the bell notification to never miss out my new video. By the way, like the video and join my Discord, link in the description. So it's 10 a.m. in my country. I think it's time to school again. By the way, I have the WhatsApp group called Minecraft Gamers. It's only me. It's only I Love Bacon Man, Chill Bruh, and me. Please subscribe and join my Discord, and yeah, follow my Instagram. I will edit the link. I will edit the description later, I think. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's already 8 minutes and it's moving 29 megabytes. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If this is helpful, please subscribe and like the video once again, and then see you guys in the next time. Goodbye.